Thanks, Shubh, for giving us those details. The Supreme Court has now asked the Centre for data on FIRs and charge sheets filed under the Muslim Women Act 2019, which criminalizes triple talaq. The court requested details on the number of FIRs registered and pending cases. The matter will be heard again in the week starting 17th of May. Sambhav Sharma on the telecast with me. In fact, before I get to Sambhav Sharma, just an update over here. The central government solicitor has provided details on and asked, the Supreme Court has asked the central government to submit the affidavit. The Supreme Court is seeking data on FIRs under the triple talaq law. Sambhav on the telecast with me. Sambhav, give us details about what happened in the court today and why is the Supreme Court asking the central government to provide affidavits on the FIRs?
Well, it's an interesting case where in the Supreme Court bench led by Chief Justice of India, Sanjeev Khanna, has asked the central government, that is the centre, to file an affidavit, a detailed affidavit discussing about or revealing how many FIRs and charge sheets have been filed so far since this this Act, Muslim Women Protection of Rights of Marriage Act 2019, which criminalizes triple talaq and provide for a jail term up to 3 years for the husband. So now Central will have to update the Supreme Court how many FIRs and charge sheets have been filed under this Act, as this particular Act, the law, has been challenged in the Supreme Court by the petitioners, wherein the petitioners counsel, senior advocate M.R. Samshad, said that there are communities where the FIRs in the matrimonial disputes have been registered so late. But here, in this case, as per this law, just by the utterance of this particular word talaq, 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 FIRs have been registered. So this is quite unfair. To which the Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, appearing for Centre, has made it clear that the problem is that this is illegal. The husband cannot say that talaq, talaq, talaq and run away from the marriage. So there was a kind of war of words between Senior Advocate M.R. Samshad and Solicitor General Tushar Mehta.
Okay, all right.
Now,
thanks, Sambhav, for giving us those details. In a significant development in Kolkata's Arjikar rape and murder case,